Health Watch is presented by UMass Memorial Health Care. Here, caring for you.
Welcome to Health Watch, presented by UMass Memorial Health Care. Each year, thousands of people injure their eyes while playing a sport, but there are ways you can protect yourself. Doctor, what injuries are the most common to the eye in sports?
Abrasions to the front surface of the eye, we call the cornea, are most common. We also see injuries that affect the inside of the eye, like retinal detachments and bleeding inside the eye, as well as bruising to the skin around the eye and broken bones.
How are the eyes most commonly injured?
The most common injury is from a blunt hit to the eye, like from a ball or from an elbow, or from other instruments that we use, baseball bats and what have you.
What's the best eye protection for kids?
The most important thing about any eye protection for sports is that it's made out of polycarbonate plastic. Polycarbonate is shatterproof. Other eyeglasses can break, and the pieces themselves can cause injury to the eye and wind up inside the eye.
Are children who wear glasses or contacts more at risk?
We're all at risk. The advantage to contact lens wear is some people feel that they have better focus. As long as they still wear some polycarbonate shields over the contacts, that's excellent. If a person feels more comfortable wearing glasses while they're playing sports, they need to be the shatterproof kind. We've gotten a lot better about the kinds of protection that we wear in our face masks and our shields that go over either eyeglasses or contact lenses.
Are certain sports more susceptible to eye injuries?
I would say it's a good idea to try to wear some kind of shield in almost every sport. Unfortunately, I've seen quite a few injuries from things that you would think would be relatively harmless. Baseball continues to be the most hazardous sport for our young kids. Martial arts is a sport that has a lot of facial injuries that also involve the eyes. And basketball, elbows thrown in basketball, continues to be a large problem.
What's your response to those who claim eye protection gets in the way?
I would say that the eye injury that can be caused would be much more hazardous to their loss of vision than wearing a shield or a pair of glasses. There's so many people that are injured that we see prominently in both, local as well as college and professional sports, that I think that we're much more aware now, and we're much more in tune to wearing protective gear in all of our sports.
What do you tell parents who are hesitant to get their kids protective eyewear?
I grew up in Southern California, and we skateboarded and we didn't have anything on. We dove off into the plants when you saw a car coming. It's amazing we survived, to tell you the truth. No, we didn't wear it growing up, but that doesn't mean that we shouldn't have it available. We have so many things available now that make it so much safer. A lot of us grew up without it, and a lot of us have the scars to show.